Today, I'll show you a new money-making method where you earn $2.05 every 55 seconds using a secret Google app that you probably never heard of, you probably didn't even know existed. So basically, what we need is open up all the Google products. So here's a list of all the different Google products and extensions. So as you can see, these are all the products and services that Google offers. And you've probably heard about Google Calendar, Google Drive, Gmail, Google Files, Google Maps and the likes. But what you probably never heard of is Google Arts and Culture app, which is this one right here. Now what you have to do is click on it, and that's going to open up this brand new website by Google, where you can download this app through Google Play or App Store. So it's available for both iOS and Android devices. And what you can do here is you can learn a lot about arts, culture and history, literally just by playing games. So these games are designed for people to learn something new about arts and culture. They are really engaging. In fact, I played a couple of these. They're undeniably addictive and pretty cool. And you actually get to learn more about history, arts and culture around the world. Now for the next step, what you need to do is take a screenshot of the actual gameplay. So open up one of these games and then start playing. Now you're not necessarily going to have to play the entire game, just find some interesting parts of the game and then screenshot that part. Now next thing you have to do is head over to sniply.io. Sniply.io is a tool that allows you to add a call to action to literally any websites out there. So what you need to do here is sign up for completely free. After doing so, just log into your brand new account. Now create a Sniply link for that secret Google app. So just go back to Google Arts and Culture app, copy its link and paste it right up here, and just click on Create Snip. After that, select Button and then you will add a message. Now that link is actually going to be some offer from CPA Grip. So for the next step, go to cpagrip.com. cpagrip.com is a CPA marketplace with thousands of different offers that pay you, like when someone literally just submits their email address. So what you need to do here is sign up for completely free. After doing so, just log into your brand new account. As you can see, all of these people are making money with CPA Grip. So now just click on Offer Tools, select My Offers, and then change the country to United States. After that, you can see all of these different offers where people have a chance to win something. These are like giveaways. For example, when people enter their email address, they'll have a chance to win a $750 PayPal gift card. Now what you can do is copy the link for this CPA offer, go back to Sniply and paste that link into the button URL. Now you can add a message which is literally going to be the same as the CPA offer's title. So I'm just going to type, click here to win a $750 PayPal gift card. And here it is, here's how it's going to look like. Now I'm going to continue and click on Finish CTA. And now we're going to get our Sniply link. It's going to look like this. Now we can preview the link by clicking this button. And that's going to take us to the secret Google app that not a lot of people know about. And while someone is using this app, they're going to see our call to action for that offer we are promoting. So as you can see, while someone is playing a game, they can see a call to action that they can win something for free. And if they click on it, that's going to take them to that offer. They'll submit their email address, and you're going to get paid per email you collect. Now obviously, giveaways, getting free iPhones or free money, whatever that might be, is appealing to literally everyone. So whoever it is out there, they don't have to be interested in a specific niche, everyone wants to get something for free. And you have a lot of those offers you can promote from CPA Grip, where people have a chance to enter for a giveaway by submitting their email address, and in return, you're being paid per email. So now just copy your Sniply link. Now what you need to do is drive traffic to your Sniply link. And one of the easiest ways to do that is to just go to Facebook and search for history, arts and culture type of groups, because those groups have hundreds of thousands of members. Like for example, this group has 1.2 million members, this one has 79,000, 13,000, 50,000, and so on and so forth. And you can join all these different groups and share the screenshot of the game you took. And then you can pretty much say something that doesn't look too pushy, like you got so addicted to these Google games, you actually learned so much about history, arts and culture while playing. Let me know if anyone wants to join so we can play together. And then here's a screenshot of one of those games. It doesn't necessarily have to be this game, you can maybe find some better ones. After that, just click on Post. And what that does is it doesn't look spammy, it just looks natural, like you're also interested in arts and culture like all the other people in the group. And they're like, yeah, we're also interested in that. He's not promoting anything, he's just talking about these games. Moreover, no one knows about these games because this is a secret Google feature, and so they will be intrigued and they will be like, alright, I want to play, let's play. And then basically when people started commenting, they will boost the engagement so more people will see the post. And then essentially, you just reply them with your Sniply link so they can open up and start playing those games. And while they're playing those games, they'll sign up to your CPA grip offers. And with that, you can organically get thousands of people signing up through your link and get paid over and over again. So that's it for today, but if you want to make even more money, then you need to watch this video right here for you to discover how to earn $876.92 per day with a brand new website.